afternoons, I usually do something active. So if it's winter...
Hello, post-production comedians. You can't take yourself too seriously all the time. And that's what this video is all about. I'm Nick Sanders. Thanks for joining me here at Video Deconstructed. Let's make a photo talk. I think the first time I saw this was on SNL or maybe Conan. It can be quite hilarious if you want to make a fun video of your toddlers talking about climate change, or maybe your grandparents talking about throwing a rave. This is the video for you. Please click subscribe if you love me, and click the bell if you want to know when I'm loving you back. Set up an X and Y guide at 50% with your playhead at the front of your sequence and the clip is selected. Go to the effects control panel, click and drag on the anchor point X and Y until your person's mouth is in the center. Drag your photo to video track 2. Create an ellipse mask for the photo's mouth. If at any time you are getting confused or just want more in-depth explanation of what I'm doing, you can click in the upper right-hand corner to jump over to my extended version of this tutorial. Now select the talking mouth video and click and drag on the video clip so that the mouth of the talking video is in the center of the photo mouth, and adjust the scale to fit. Make sure you are still at the beginning of your sequence and that you are still selecting the video mouth, and place a position keyframe, and then if you keyframe approximately every 10 frames, you should have enough to make the animation work. Thanks for being a good audience here in the Video Deconstructed Comedy Zone. I'm Nick Sanders. For more laughs, click on subscribe, bells, thumbs up, thumbs down. Tell me your best dad joke in the comments.